Hey everyone! Welcome back to the vlog. Today I have something special to share with you. I took a trip to Berry's farm and let me tell you, it was an experience like no other. Pagdating ko pa lang, sobrang nakakamangha ang scenery. As soon as I arrived, I was greeted by the most stunning views of rolling hills and majestic mountains in the background. Ang sarap ng hangin at ang tanawin ng kalikasan sa pinakamalinis nitong anyo ay talagang refreshing. Although, I couldn't pick any berries this time around, hindi ko hinayaan na masira ang araw ko. I took some time to explore the farm and enjoy the serene atmosphere. Yung mga trails sa farm offered the perfect chance to immerse myself in the beauty of the landscape. Pero, hindi lang tungkol sa berries ang trip na to. The whole farm is like a little slice of paradise. Merong mga picturesque trails na nagdala ng mga hidden spots with the perfect views of the mountains. At one point, umupo lang ako at nag-relax, feeling completely at peace. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang highlight ng visit ko. Lunch. I dined at the farm's cafe and had the best pares and pork sisig I've ever tasted. The pares was tender and savory, habang ang pork sisig ay may tamang crispiness at spice. Of course, hindi ako malis na walang dalang strawberry jam. I'm planning to make some delicious desserts with them, so stay tuned for that. Kung naghahanap kayo ng gateway na may natural beauty, masarap na pagkain, at pagkakataong mag-unwind, I highly recommend visiting Farm Berries. It's an experience you won't forget. Thank you for watching!